Hi everyone!
Hey everybody!
Welcome to another Unboxing Wednesday. I'm Amanda, the social media coordinator here at Moms Meet, and over here is Lauren, one of our lovely project managers. So we have some two really cool launches for you this week, and we figured we would show you, an example of what you might get. So if you are not already a mom ambassador, you can go on momsmeet.com, sign up. It's completely free. But if you're already a mom ambassador, hey, we got two new launches for you. Both of them are for the group sampling programs as well. So if you're a mom ambassador, you can sign up for your groups. It's going to be awesome. So the first one that I have, I was really excited to show this box.
Beautiful.
So this is Health Warriors Chia Bars. Super yummy, only 100 calories. Wow. 3 grams of sugar. So in the kit, you will get to try, the Chia Bars in 3 different flavors. So they have coconut. They have, I know, I love the packaging. Beautiful. They have chocolate peanut butter, which I'm obsessed with. And then they also have dark chocolate. And as a gift, you are going to receive, it's brand new, so this is exclusive. You'll get to try the strawberry shortcake flavor.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
So I want to try that so bad. But we did have one of them before. I forget which one I tried. I think it was dark chocolate. It was really yummy.
Yeah, I tried the chocolate peanut butter. I think it was really good.
Gosh,
anything chocolate peanut butter, I feel like that combination is just.
Oh gosh, yeah, that is absolutely my favorite. So yeah, that is the Health Warrior. You can sign up momsmeet.com, check out our current programs. It will be up. So what do you got on your?
So we have Good Culture, and we all love Good Culture in this office. Good Culture cottage cheese.
Gosh, yeah.
That's just a great, all natural, no artificial ingredient, high protein snack, and they are doing a program for their organic variety this time. So I'm super excited about that, and it's a great kit. So you're going to get a bunch of coupons. To pick up the product at the store. So you get a bunch of coupons, go to the store, get them for your group members. You can all try them. And they've got some good flavors. They've got the a blueberry, a strawberry, just a classic savory, and I believe a peach or a pineapple as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so they've got some great flavors. You're also going to get these adorable stickers.
Oh gosh, they're so cute. Pasture-raised stuff. That's
they're
adorable.
really cute. So
I love that.
For you, if you want them, we don't judge, or your kids, whichever you want to do. You want to keep them, that's more than fine. Yeah, so it's just, we love the product in the office, and it's absolutely delicious. And they actually put mineral-rich sea salt in their cottage cheese rather than the processed table salt. So,
oh my gosh, and it's so yummy.
It is delicious. So if you want something sweet, you're covered. If you want something more savory, they've got the classic variety. So you're good to go. So yeah, hop on over and sign up for this one because it really is very delicious.
Both of these are available right now on momsmeet.com. You can sign up. It's completely free if you are not already a mom ambassador. So thanks for joining us today.
Thanks everybody.
And we'll see you next week to see what's coming out. So thank you.